Dito na kami sa, sa health class. Ayan si Glay. And ito yung examination room. Baby, are you ready? Are you ready? Meron na. Ma'am, anong pangalan mo?
Maan.
Maan. Hi, Ma'am Maan. Yan si Ma'am Maan. Nurse siya dito.
After 2 years.
After 1 year, Ma'am.
1 year. Grabe.
Baby, are you ready to see our babies? Love you. Tayo lang na si Doc.
So we have one sac. You can see here like that. The sac here. It's good from the sides. Then we have something called yolk sac. Also the size is good. Here. I have the embryo. Small. But still no heartbeats, which is normal in this week. Okay, it looks nice. Let's see again. I will see you again. You have insurance here?
Yeah,
Let me see you again on Wednesday. So then we will see the heartbeats. Huh? So, okay, this is good.
Thank you,
We will
Doctor.
continue, guys, all medicines till Wednesday. Or continue. Wednesday, I will see you again. So, inshallah, we will see the heartbeats. She will be then 6 plus 2 or 3. Yeah? Okay, and then we will do the scan, inshallah, and then let me see what.
Okay, doctor. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Ma'am, may gamot pa kayo, ma'am? Actually, ang wala na ako iron.
Nagpipig ka man kayo?
Oo, piniti kasi mababa kasi yung hemoglobin ko. Pero yung iba, may abot pa naman ang pangalan. Sana ko.
Okay na ba nag-a-iron? Yung mga...
Okay na. Kasi yung patch ko 3 na lang.
Pero tatlo na lang, abot pa. Kasi, ang next visit mo, ma'am, i-under mo na siya sa insurance mo para covered na din yung gamot under maternity.
Sige.
Kasi buntis, confirm naman na yung pregnancy. Pwede na under insurance.
Baby,
Okay.
you're a mommy? Okay. This is...
Oo, iron. Wala na talaga ako.
Ito si Baby Hope. Yan ang Baby Hope namin. Ito yung sabi ni Doctor, wala pang heartbeat yung baby, which is normal daw sa
Normal naman yun, di ba?
kung ilang weeks.
Ang heartbeat, sunod lang. 6 weeks ang beginning. Yung iba until 7.
Mamaan,
Yes, sir.
saan siya binase yung ano niya, yung weeks niya? Sa LMP?
Hindi po sa embryo transfer po.
Oh, din siya binibase, babe.
Tsaka kasi 5-day-old yung embryo.
So, ilang weeks na ako?
By 80 days, 5 weeks and 5 days.
5 weeks and
5 weeks and 5 days.
Ang expected date mo most probably March 21.
March 21. Oh, gana si Baby Hope. So, ito yung ano namin. Ito na yun. Ito na yung first scan niya na nakikita talaga natin siya na nasasak ng embryo na. Ano ang tawag doon? Embryo ba tawag doon?
Embryo.
Embryo. So, ganyan na siya kalaki. In real life, 0.20 centimeters na si Baby Hope. Wow. Good job. Kapit lang kay Mommy. Baby Hope. Baby, it's okay. Not twins.
It's fine, Daddy.
Bigay siya ni God sa atin. Amen. Good job, babe. So, nagbe-base talaga sila, babe, sa embryo transfer. Hindi siya sa, LMP. So, good job. Kasi yung embryo natin, 5 days na. So, plus 5 days. Magpa-plus 5 days ka dun sa date ng embryo transfer para malaman mo yung eksaktong week ng baby. So, yun yung sabi dito.
First day ang balik ko, diba sabi nila?
Tanungin natin ulit. Okay. So, we owe this to God. God, salamat po.
Thank you.
Thanks, God.
Thank you.
For everything. Thanks, Mama Ann.
Next Wednesday.
Wednesday.